If you have a Takara HB116 hoverboard and you can't turn it on or off, and in our case, one of the lights on the side with the power button just stayed on and would not go off, and when you tried to plug it in, nothing would happen. So literally it's like the hoverboard hung, like a computer. So first thing we did is take out the 9 screws on this side to take a look. And lo and behold, so we marked it because we took everything apart. There's no battery on this side. So even though I disconnected all these, it still didn't fix the problem because I couldn't reset. And no matter how long you hold down the power button, it's not going to reset your, like kill the power to, hard reset your hoverboard. So take apart, take off the 9 and note that there's a screw, a Phillips screw hiding underneath this thing right here. You take that off and you find the battery. You'll want to disconnect this guy right here, which will kill the power to the whole thing. And when you plug it back in, it works, just like rebooting your computer. Hope that helps. All right, so just to show you how the battery comes disconnected, or how you disconnect it, is you pull, and they're really tight, you gotta wiggle it. Ugh. All right, so that's how it comes apart. So it can only go back one way because it's nice, but it is very hard, and I initially thought maybe you had to pull on these guys, so I just wanted to show you that that's how you disconnect the battery. And I guess if you need to change your battery, there's 4 screws holding it in. It just comes out and you can buy yourself a new battery as well. On reassembly, we noticed that there's different screws. Did notice that when we were taking it apart. There's 8 long ones and 10 short little silver ones, and the long ones have a pointy end. So if you look at the board over here, luckily it's easier to tell because the 8 long ones go into the white holes. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So your long screws are going to go into the white holes, and your little short screws are going to go into your silver holes. That'll help you on reassembly.